Well, as at Edne Kwesiada no Pamino Kase, in Tiasiefie, bit my report officially say Asante Kotoko, the club of the 20th century, has submitted Baba Yara Sports Stadium as the home venue for CAF. Say CAF Beja to say, game a beba so Yankupon Yadoma. Next 2 weeks, and as I game no air basso, Mummy and Tiani and Shannon. So once a fifth. Yeah, na 5th of October 2025. And a game no 17th, 18th, 19th. Into aka 2 weeks per na sa game no about so. Apparently, CAF Emma Asante Kotoko notice baby yes our story and say by 3rd of this month also Kotoko submitted the venue on the person on the board no. And I know Friday no by the close of working day. Bunika say by the close of working day no you close no 5 p.m. but a stretch in the working day no by 11:59 sa o send the file adwuma bepon na mom on official duties no sa o ka se deadline ni say na ye third no na Kotoko by 11:59 p.m. on the 3rd of October no to submit notice to CAF, and as a letter to CAF said we choose stadium we to play this particular game. But has say no if you are in 3-4 minutes na nchichimu bia no ye the amount enya de be kasa ten about 25 minutes na assemba ko ye twan ho sa da bi. I say no in 2-3 minutes ni ye chichi bibia mu amount. Inti me no ka say no Kotoko the Baba Yara Sports Stadium din and akoma CAF. Before that CAF for no enyam be inspection no the woman GFA the department committee for no and be inspection no so mo no requirement no e wo mo ho na ombe ye na omu hu say Kotoko and I said the NSA and the Baba Yara Sports Stadium no adwuma we na aka I was here ya ansa na CAF for no approve and na major of the adwuma is got to do with the pitch and then your man getting be and major one of pitch no has been addressed and I can your man getting your man getting no by 2 weeks time then also is sorted and at 2 weeks time no Kotoko yes your man getting hoping say sa CAF for no ebe ba Kotoko is ready to bear the cost so the bet no omo plane ticket omo accommodation omo food any bibia no mo de amomo no mo de omani abehwe by the time on baba be na nyo marketing no ni nyina no is sorted and also omawie nti mo na mo busa Baba Yara no nti asiefie de ebetimi a report ni say Kotoko officially me no ka say a submit Baba Yara Sports Stadium ti Baba Yara Sports Stadium as the venue for the home game against Without Athletic Club Casablanca. You can it say work of Morocco no. 2 weeks time and as I game no ebeba so based on information I say can say a likely say CAF for no ebe approve based on information I say can because connections say namasia no. Currently former Kotoko administrative manager Emmanuel Dasobre adwuma o CAF onu ni di animu e ma letter no call it just imagine